Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 11th class, subject botany. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today on 19th of June 2021, our topic is general structure of viruses. Dear students, in our previous lecture, we have studied the status of virus. Now today our topic is general structure of viruses. General structure of viruses is our today's topic. Regarding this general structure of viruses, it can be studied under the following headings. Means the general structure of viruses can be studied under the following headings. Number one, shape and size. And here we will see what is the shape and what will be the size of the viruses. The viruses are of different shapes. So dear students, you should remember that the shape of the virus is different and the viruses have the different shapes. They may be spherical, they can be rod-shaped, as the rod-shaped virus is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. They can be tadpole-like, example can be bacteriophage. They can be helical, like the influenza virus, or they may be polyhedral. Viruses are smaller than bacteria. Dear students, you should remember that the viruses are very small than the bacteria, means they are smaller than bacteria. The size ranges from 10 nm to 300 nm, means 10 nanometers to 300 nanometers. So this was the shape and size of the viruses. So here we have seen that the viruses are of different shapes. They may be spherical, rod-shaped, tadpole-like, helical, or polyhedral. They are smaller than the bacteria. Their size ranges from 10 nm to 300 nm. Now the chemical structure and composition. What is the chemical structure and composition of viruses? A virus is made up of a nucleic acid core and protein coat called capsid. So the chemical structure reveals that a virus is made up of a nucleic acid core and protein coat. Nucleic acid core and protein coat, which is called the capsid, CAPSID. This capsid surrounds the core, nucleic acid core. Capsid surrounds the nucleic acid core. Now what is this nucleic acid? Nucleic acid, a virus always contains only a single kind of nucleic acid. That is either DNA or RNA. So dear students, you should remember the nucleic acid of virus is of single kind. That means it either contains DNA or it can either contain RNA. But both DNA and RNA are not present in the virus. Only there can be DNA or there can be RNA. So a virus always contains only a single kind of nucleic acid, that is either DNA or RNA. The nucleic acid may occur as single or double stranded. The nucleic acid found in the virus, either it may be DNA or it can be RNA. And you should remember that it may occur as single or double stranded. The infectious property of virus is due to its nucleic acid. The infection produced by the virus in the host cell is due to this nucleic acid injected into the host cell. Now, capsid or protein coat. The protein coat is called capsid. Capsid or protein coat, the protein coat is called capsid. It is made up of many identical proteins. It is made up of many identical protein subunits. The protein coat is called capsid, which is made up of many identical protein subunits called capsomeres. And those capsomeres are composed of either one or several types of proteins. So this was all about general structure of viruses. Here we have seen that this general structure of viruses can be studied under the following headings: shape and size, and then the chemical structure and composition. So this was all about today's lecture. Diagrammatically, the diagrammatic representation is here structure of T11 bacteriophage. The diagram shows the structure of T11 bacteriophage. So here you see the capsid, nucleic, neck, collar, which is collectively called head, and the sheath core and base plate, which is collectively called the tail, and then the spikes and tail fiber and DNA is present in the head. So this is the diagrammatic representation of structure of viruses. So in this way we have completed our today's topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.